Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another product review. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Windows Microsoft Surface Pro 8. So there's quite a few different Surface Pros or Surfaces out there. This is eighth one. I did a little bit of research before I ended up getting this. I think this is the only one out of the Surface Pros that has the Intel Core i5 processor. It's also got an 8 gigs of RAM, 120 gigabyte hard drive. It does not include a pen, so we're going to be also, I'll move this over a little bit. We're also going to be unboxing this guy right here, and I'll get into that in a little bit. But that is the pen. They're sold separate. Well, it's kind of spendy, but from what I saw, it seems like it'd be worth it. So I guess there is the Surface Pro. Kind of what it looks like. I'm not really sure exactly how to turn this on. Maybe I have to charge the battery first. I don't know. Looks like it might have like a little SD card reader in it. I'm guessing this right here might be the power button, but it is not doing anything. So I guess moving on, we might have to put the charger on. We have this right here, whatever this is. Oh. How weird. It's just like a little booklet. Oh, okay. So yeah, right there. It's the power button. I'm guessing this is the charger. Oh, okay. That's kind of a interesting charger. Oh, okay. So that is not for an SD card. That is how you charge it, apparently. So let's try to start it again. Oh, okay, there we go. And that's it. That's all that's in the box. Nothing else. Kind of bare minimums there. But like I said, I will also do a quick little unboxing of this other thing that I bought. It's the signature keyboard with Slim Pen 2. It's like the newer pen. They are or they were at the Best Buy that I went to, really low on stock on these. So it might be a little bit difficult to get. Okay. Hey, look. I like it. Ah, it's kind of weird feeling. This was kind of spendy though. It was like, I think just the keyboard itself was like over $200.
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U, or select the accessibility icon in the bottom corner.
Well, I will, oh, what the heck? It's kind of weird. Anyways, so I guess that's the unboxing. I'm not really gonna go through the entire setup, or actually, let's I'll do that. Oh man, do a little bit of stuff off screen, real quick. So I mostly bought this for graphical design type stuff. I have a pretty good gaming laptop that I use for quite a bit of stuff. But I like the idea of being able to like draw and do art. Okay, so it looks like this right here. It charges it too. So when I put this in there, I'm like lit up right there. It's charging. Let's accept that. And I'll do a couple other things off screen, I guess. It might be more work than it's worth for a short video. Anyways, this is just kind of the basic unboxing of the Surface Pro 8. I will, I don't know, let you know in the comments or something more about this later on down the road. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.